The Faiuot 110V welding machine is equipped with advanced IGBT inverter technology that ensures smooth arc starts and minimal spatter, making it ideal for professional use. With 6 adjustable current settings ranging from 20 to 200 amperes, this welder offers precision control for various metalworking tasks. Despite its powerful capabilities, the machine is ultra-portable, weighing only 3.4 pounds, and comes with a comprehensive tool set, making it highly convenient for on-the-go projects. Its multi-purpose design includes a hot start function and triple safety systems, providing protection against overheating, short circuits, and overloads. The smart cooling system allows for extended welding sessions without the risk of overheating, making it suitable for continuous use in demanding environments. Designed with beginners in mind, this welding machine includes intuitive controls and visual guides, ensuring a quick and safe learning experience.